Today I will share with you how I built my homemade foil. A foil is a device that you can attach to your surfboard and basically fly. I started by modeling the foil in Fusion 360. That's a CAD software. CAD is an incredibly powerful tool when coming up with new designs, since you can make any shape you want in a matter of minutes. The wings was based on an existing brand, since I don't have too much experience with this topic. After the modeling was done, I 3D printed all the parts. This took about 120 hours of printing. This sounds like a lot of work, but once the file is uploaded, you can just let the printer do its thing. The assembling began. I started with the mast, which was connected with 2 1/4-inch rods and glued together. The gaps were filled with filler and then sanded smooth. Next was the fuselage. I took a piece of wood and shaped it into the right dimension. Thankfully I had access to my school's shop for this entire build, but I could have printed this part too. I laid out the pieces to get an idea how it would look like. Then the nest part started. Since the plastic wasn't strong enough to hold the weight of a human, I had to fiberglass the entire foil. I roughed up the surface with 120 grit sandpaper to help the epoxy stick better. Then I laminated 5 layers of 4-ounce glass and resin on the whole foil to get sufficient strength. After a whole lot of sanding, the glass was smooth, and I thought it was a good idea to spray paint the whole foil black with normal spray paint. At that time I didn't know that it would be terrible in salt water. That's why I spent another 3 hours sanding it all off again and finally applying a gel coat. If I were to do it again, I would definitely make a mold and use a vacuum bag. It's just way less work. I hope you enjoyed watching me making this project. Have a nice day. Bye.